बॉडी टोन देना है।
सर ऑरेंज नहीं होगा तो क्या ऑप्शन है?
ऑरेंज नहीं होगा तो मैम येलो एंड ब्राउन।
येलो एंड ब्राउन।
रेड रेड एंड येलो, रेड येलो एंड व्हाइट।
So those who don't have orange color, red, yellow and white.
Yeah, so children, if you don't have orange color, you can mix red and yellow to make orange color and then add white color. So sometimes brown and white, very less brown and white also gives little skin color, right?
यस यस मैम, नो प्रॉब्लम। ब्राउन एंड व्हाइट मिक्स किया तब भी होता है, लेकिन ब्राउन की क्वांटिटी एकदम कम।
बहुत ही कम, हाँ।
हाँ।
Children, would you like to listen to some music along with that while we are painting?
बॉडी पार्ट को उसके करना है एंड लेग्स के उसके थोड़े पार्ट नीचे देखो, सभी जगह से चेक करो कि बैक साइड, फ्रंट साइड, ऑल साइड मैंने हर एक बॉडी पार्ट को कलर किया है। वैसे आपको पूरा बॉडी पार्ट कलर करना है।
Children, do you know who was Lokmanya Tilak? He was a freedom fighter. Okay. So during independence, how we got independence? Because of the freedom fighters, right? तो गणेश चतुर्थी उससे पहले सबके घर में सेलिब्रेट किए जाती थी, सब लोग घर पे करते थे. But what did Lokmanya Tilak do? He started Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav. That is, you see big Ganesh idols, right? So that he started. उससे क्या हुआ? लोग सारे they started coming together, and you can see teamwork, people helping each other to celebrate this festival. है ना? आपने देखा है ना? सब लोग आके help करते हैं एक दूसरे को. And now I can see parents and children all working together. It's so beautiful. Very good, all of you. So to have the feeling of unity, he started this Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav. Okay. Few children have completed, others can complete it. Take your time. Gargi. Just a minute. You can unmute Gargi. I have. Yes.
टीचर
Yes, beta, bolo.
माझ्या ब्रदरने ना गणपती बनवला
काय बनवला?
गणपती
Wow, very nice. Did you color it?
नो
Okay, you can color it now.
No, she is coloring. You are coloring na Gargi.
यस
Okay.
बॅक साइडला कलर द्यायचा आहे की नाही?
Do slowly, nicely. Okay.
Sir, can you turn the Ganpati? They want to see backside also. You have colored. पीछे भी कलर करना है क्या? अच्छा. Already looking beautiful, right? I can see someone has painted it all. Manwa? Looking very pretty. Okay, if you have done, we will wait for others to finish the skin color, okay? All of them are working together. Yeah. Mama, daddy, brother, sister, everyone. Ganpati Bappa is going to be very happy. Of the screens, we can see 4 or 5 members. Yes, yes.
It's a very relaxing activity.
Yes. So can you please turn the Ganpati? Yes, thank you.
So from the back side, they want to see if they need to color back side also. Umesh sir,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
बैक साइड आप एक बार टर्न करके दिखाएंगे.
ओनली क्राउन छोड़ के मैम, क्राउन पार्ट छोड़ के बॉडी को करना है और बैक साइड का जो धोती का पार्ट है वो छोड़ना है. वैसे भी पूरा किया तो नो प्रॉब्लम मैम, उसके ऊपर कलर हो जाएगा.
Okay. Someone is asking why we have put seeds in it. So when you will do Visarjan in a pot, after few days the seed will grow. You can see a plant growing from it. You have to water every day when you will do Visarjan. You can do it at your home. And that time, if you are using acrylic color, that color will come up, so that you need to take out. If you are using the watercolors, no need to take out the colors. You can put everything in a pot.
And since it's Shadu Mati, it will dissolve quickly. It will not take much time. Fast dissolve हो जाएगा. So we are not polluting our rivers. हम लोग नदी में नहीं डालने वाले हैं ना. We are going to use that thing. We are going to save our rivers.
So last year in Ahmedabad, government did not allow
Visarjan.
Ganpati's Visarjan,
Yes.
and people just left Ganesha outside the river, and its video was viral, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So why we wait the government to do that? If we use Shadu Mati and we do the Visarjan at home in a bucket, then all the Shadu Mati will settle down. Any color if you have done, if acrylic, then it will float up. Otherwise, these poster colors are not harmful for even plant. So we can use that water with even Shadu Mati to water all other plants, whichever you have at home. And if you have put some seeds, then what you can do, you can collect, use the water from the top to water other plants, and that soil you mix with other red soil or black soil, and you can germinate the seeds which you have put inside.
Prachi ma'am, very good. Prachi Dikshit ma'am.
Yes, I think poster colors, it is fine because it get dissolved in water and we are not going to use so much of color. So plantation will happen if we will use poster colors then also.
Ma'am, I think almost all are done with poster, that white color.
Yes.
I think
Yes.
so.
Skin color is done.
Skin color is done.
Okay. Okay, almost are done. The skin color. अभी नेक्स्ट जो ऊपर का उसका जो हमने जो भी फेटा बनाया, किसने क्राउन बनाया होगा, जिसने क्राउन बनाया है उसको येलो कलर देना, और जिन्होंने फेटा बनाया हुआ है उसको आप अपने चॉइस से भी कलर कर सकते हैं, जैसे रेड, ऑरेंज, पिंक। ओके, लेकिन जिन्होंने क्राउन बनाया है ऊपर उसको येलो कलर देना, जिन्होंने ऊपर क्राउन बनाया है उसको येलो कलर देना। ओके
सर लेग्स भी स्किन कलर के करने हैं क्या? समवन आस्क क्वेश्चन।
यस मैम, ओनली लेग्स, ओनली फीट,
Yeah, dhoti we will do some other color.
अदर कलर्स। देखो मैम, मैंने सिर्फ थोड़ा सा पार्ट किया है, ओनली फीट का। फर्स्ट हम ऊपर क्राउन या क्राउन या जो भी फेटा बनाया है उसका पार्ट पहले करते हैं, एंड देन धोती का पार्ट बाद में करेंगे। ओके, मैं उसके लिए रेड कलर लूंगा, पोस्टर रेड कलर ऊपर फेटे के लिए। एकदम स्लोली स्लोली लेना, स्किन पार्ट में नीचे जाने। अभी स्मॉल ब्रशेस यूज करके हमें एकदम स्लोली स्लोली कलर करना।
Different parts of Ganesha resemble different things. गणेश जी का बड़ा सिर जो होता है वो भी कुछ रिजेंबल करता है. Do you know what it resembles? He has a big head, right? So that means think big. आपको बड़ी चीज सोचनी है. You have to think big. Think about big things. Think wise.
एंड देखो, जो मैं फेटा है वो हाफ पार्ट में कर रहा हूँ ओनली। और इसके नीचे हम हेयर्स बनाएंगे। मैंने रेड कलर किया। एंड नीचे धोती को मैं पिंक कलर करूंगा। वॉट आप चेंज भी कर सकते हो उसका कलर। ओके, आप कलर नीचे धोती का चेंज भी कर सकते हो।
Sir is making pink color dhoti. If you want, you can make it some other color also.
I saw one child was having more peacock's feather on Ganesha. So in that case, you can have the golden yellow color, but yellowish color, pitambar color, which is nice. If you are putting Krishna's feather on top.
I think सर आप शेडिंग दे रहे हो क्या लाइट एंड डार्क पिंक का?
Yes, थोड़ा सा धोती का पीछे के साइड में जैसे धोती फोल्ड करके वैसे डार्क का थोड़ा शेड किया मैंने। एंड फ्रंट साइड भी वैसे ही थोड़ा सा मैंने डार्क पिंक लेके उसको शेडिंग किया। लुक, तो जैसे धोती के फोल्ड होते हैं वैसे फोल्ड जैसे दिखेगा।
With a slightly dark shade, you can give the
फोल्ड।
you can use any color if you don't have pink color. Okay.
Yes.
You can mix red and white and you will get pink.
Yes, if you want pink only.
Someone has asked how to make pink.
Pink, yes.
Not red, ma'am. Crimson, light, and crimson.
Crimson color.
Crimson, red and
light
white.
Red and white is light red.
Okay, sir.
So in red also you need crimson red. Then you can make
crimson
pink.
light. Crimson
Yes.
light.
So little shading on the feta
Crown.
also.
Feta also. जो आपने डॉट्स किए हैं उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज कलर कर सकते हैं।
The little dark and light shading will give a very beautiful effect actually. बहुत सुंदर दिख रहा है.
अच्छा मैम, हो गया आपका? Good.
Sir, all of them are very busy. किसी को भी देखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है.
नहीं है.
So, सर दोनों पैर के बीच में कलर नहीं करना है ना, कोई पूछ रहा है.
हाँ मैम, करना है आपको, लेकिन थोड़े डिफरेंट कलर करना.
Okay, we'll color it with some other thing.
दोनों लेग्स के बीच में जो हमने पार्ट छोड़ा था, वहां पे आप डिफरेंट कौन सा भी, मतलब जैसे अभी पिंक का लिया मैंने, तो वहां पे मैं ब्लू कलर कर रहा हूँ. जिन्होंने येलो कलर लिया है तो वहां पे रेड या ऑरेंज कलर कर सकते हैं, वो उसको मैच हो जाएगा. ओके.
Very good, Thea. Nice. Very nice, Thea. Sir, someone is asking green is okay? Green chalega?
Yes ma'am, no problem.
तो बैक साइड दिखा दीजिए.
So have you done shading on the back side or it's
Yes ma'am, शेडिंग किया है, थोड़ा सा शेडिंग
Dark
किया है.
and light.
because of the light?
No, shading is there.
थिया, आपको धोती कौन सी कलर की करनी है? यू कैन टेल विच कलर. ओके, टेल टू योर मम्मा. Audvik, Audvik. Your Didi is doing. Please help Didi. You can help your Didi. Very good, Riyanshi, beta. Nice.
Nice, children. Good job.
Everyone is doing very nicely.
Hmm.
And do you all know why we say Ganpati Bappa Moria? पता है आपको? Why we say Ganpati Bappa Moria? So Moria we say in remembrance of the great devotee of Ganpati Bappa, whose name was Moria Gosavi. के रिमेम्बरेंस में हम बोलते हैं गणपति बाप्पा के साथ साथ हम उनको भी याद करते हैं. And that's why we say Ganpati Bappa Moria.
And that Moria Mandir is in Pune only, Chinchwad, in Chinchwad.
Yes, in Chinchwad. Right. It's in Chinchwad.
Pranavi, very nice, beta. Very good.
All Ganpati are coming alive.
Yes.
Looking beautiful.
And नेक्स्ट करेंगे हम उसके ज्वेलरी को, ज्वेलरी पार्ट. ओके, तो जिसके पास गोल्डन कलर है वो डायरेक्ट गोल्डन कलर दे दे, और जिसके पास गोल्डन कलर नहीं है वो येलो कलर देना है. ओके, फर्स्ट मीडियम येलो. आपके पास 2 येलो हो गए तो 2 येलो यूज करने हैं, मीडियम येलो एंड लाइट येलो. नहीं तो येलो में थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज टच करके डीप येलो बन जाएगा. ओके,
Satyajit, help your mama. Very nice Ganpati you made. Now do coloring also, beta.
ज्वेलरी पार्ट को फर्स्ट मीडियम येलो या एकदम स्मॉल ब्रश लेके. ओके, ज्वेलरी को एकदम स्मॉल ब्रश यूज करना है.
सर जिनके पास स्मॉल ब्रश नहीं होगा वो ईयरबड्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं ना?
यस मैम, यस.
यस, ईयरबड्स इज आल्सो गुड ऑप्शन अगर किसी के पास नहीं होगा.
Where is Taksh? Ah, yes, Taksh. Come on, help your mama. Okay, Taksh, it's okay, beta. You can't unmute yourself from there. It's okay. You just help your mama in coloring.
Wow, Shreyanshi, very nice. Sir, any way to make golden color?
मैम मीडियम येलो फर्स्ट एंड उसके ऊपर लाइट येलो.
मीडियम येलो, इसके ऊपर लाइट येलो.
लाइट येलो से थोड़ा थोड़ा तो उसके ऊपर ड्राई करना है, तो वो गोल्डन का इफेक्ट आ जाएगा.
ओके.
Rishabh, where are you, Rishabh? Yes.
बस मीडियम येलो ड्राई होने देना उसको. पहले मीडियम येलो दे के ले लो. ड्राई होने के बाद फिर उसके ऊपर लाइट येलो करेंगे. ओके, तब तक आप दूसरा कोई पार्ट करना. ओके, तब तक हम मोदक को कलर करते हैं. ओके, लाइक मोदक. यू लाइक मोदक? मोदक कौन से कलर का होता है? येलो.
Anand, very good, Anand. Nice coloring.
सर जनेऊ पे येलो कलर
Yes.
करना है क्या, ऐसा पूछ रहा है कोई.
Yes, ma'am?
जो जनेऊ पहनते हैं ना, उसको येलो करना है क्या? वो
तर
जनेऊ
जानवं
जनेऊ.
असते ना, ते जानवं, त्याला कुठला कलर म्हणतात?
मैम व्हाइट कलर, व्हाइट.
ओके, तो उसको व्हाइट करना है.
So skin color, those who don't have orange, we have mixed with little white, little orange with white color.
Meghavani is coloring.
Parents, please take photo while kids are doing coloring. Please take photo and share with center heads.
Sir, I think आपका वीडियो पॉज हुआ है क्या?
Radha,
Yes,
I
I
can't
guess.
see your Ganpati beta. Where is your Ganpati Bappa? Oh, it is on the table? Okay.
Sir, आप हाँ.
Yes, I
Yes,
can see
अभी
beta
दिखा.
now. Nice.
व्हाइट थ्रेड का बनाते हैं ना, तो इट इज व्हाइट.
एंड वही व्हाइट
Janu is white.
उसके टीथ को भी व्हाइट कलर देना है. जब आपने व्हाइट का ब्रश लिया है तो उसको ही टीथ को भी व्हाइट कलर करना है.
Wow, Kian, you are busy, huh? Full busy. Engrossed in coloring. Where is Srimai? Yes, Srimai, are you helping your mama? Good, nice. Very nice. Wow, beautiful, Srimai.
सर आपका
Very
वीडियो फिर
nice.
से पॉज हो गया.
Where
For
is
skin
Ishwari?
color, sir had mixed orange and white. Someone is asking.
Yes, Ishwari, very nice. Wow.
And for golden, sir has given medium
Very
yellow on the jewelry right now.
Ishwari, if you want,
Later
you
we will
can
give a
give
shade.
another color to dhoti. It is a screen color or you have given some color to dhoti? Oh, wow, nice. Very good, Ishwari. Good job.
ईयर्स में ईयर्स में थोड़ा सा लाइट पिंक शेड अंदर के साइड में करना है. ओके, थोड़ा सा लाइट पिंक शेड इनसाइड.
Light pink color on the inside of the ear.
ईयर. एंड आउटसाइड थोड़ा सा डीप स्किन कलर, लाइट ऑरेंज कलर.
Sir, have you mixed more orange in the skin color for this inside hand?
यस मैम. इसके हैंड के ऊपर डायरेक्ट ब्राउन कलर से मैम लाइंस बनाए तो भी चलेगा.
Okay. For feet and hand.
एंड आपके पास रेड कलर स्केच पेन होगा तो स्केच पेन से आप लिख सकते हो या स्मॉल ब्रश से के ऊपर ओम लिख सकते हो. ऐसे आप स्केच पेन से भी लिख सकते हो या ब्रश से भी ओम लिख सकते हो.
For outside of ear, sir has used skin
Skin
color but mixed some orange in it.
Yes.
It's dark skin color.
थोड़ा सा orange color.
And sir, Modak, someone is asking.
Yellow color, ma'am. Yellow color, ma'am.
Modak is of yellow color.
Yellow.
Peta, sir, has done red and dots of yellow, right? Dhoti is of pink, but if you want, you can use a different color.
Yes.
Janeu is white.
Yes.
And inside ear is, you can do either brown,
Yes.
just the lines of brown.
Yes.
It's looking so beautiful.
Yes. So beautiful. Sir, आपने eyes के ऊपर भी white किया है क्या? आईज के ऊपर व्हाइट किया है आपने?
हाँ मैम, थोड़ा सा व्हाइट टच दिया है।
वो जो हमने स्मॉल स्मॉल सर्कल्स लगाए थे ना
हाँ हाँ,
फॉर
उसके ऊपर
आईज।
थोड़ा सा व्हाइट। जो हमने स्मॉल स्मॉल सर्कल्स के आईज बनाए थे उसको व्हाइट कलर किया है, उसके ऊपर हम ब्लैक कलर डॉट से उसके आई बॉल्स बनाएंगे।
Oh, I guess somebody forgot to put teeth on it.
सर एनी आइडिया क्या कर सकते हैं?
टीथ के
आपके
लिए
पास माटी बाकी है?
नहीं मैम,
नहीं, कोई भूल गया है लगाना। Some
मैम,
child is asking.
मुरमुरा लगा सकते हैं सर?
यस मैम, लगा सकते हो।
यस, यू कैन पुट मुरमुरा अगर होगा तो। One more
या मैम
challenge.
कोई भी स्टिक, मतलब ये कोई भी काड़ी है, जैसे ब्रांच
अगरबत्ती।
स्मॉल ब्रांच तोड़ के उसको व्हाइट कलर करके भी लगा सकते हैं।
यस, टूथपिक लगा सकते हैं। यस,
Yes.
एंड टूथपिक को आप चाहिए तो कॉटन से भी, थोड़े से कॉटन से रोल करोगे ना तो वो अच्छा दिखेगा। और
एंड बेस के लिए जो बेस है नीचे का, जो हमने पहले सर्कल बनाया था, ओके, अभी मैंने पिंक कलर लिया है इसलिए उसका ऑपोजिट कलर लाइट ब्लू कलर ले रहा हूँ, जैसे ब्लू में व्हाइट कलर मिक्स करके। ओके, जिन्होंने येलो लिया है वो नीचे पिंक कलर भी कर सकते हैं या ग्रीन कलर भी कर सकते हैं। ओके, जे कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर लेंगे तो और अच्छा दिखेगा। ओके, बेस के लिए
यूज कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर, अपोजिट कलर।
ऑपोजिट कलर यूज करेंगे तो और अच्छा दिखेगा आपका।
हाँ, तो धोती भी उठ के आएगी।
हाँ,
Do not color the mouse. Color the base.
माउस को ग्रे कलर देना है। ओके, तो माउस को कलर नहीं करना है आपको।
Very nice here. You have done purple color, Feta.
तो गणेश जी कम्स एज अ विजिटर। यस, हमारे घर पे एज अ मेहमान आते हैं 10 दिन के लिए, और आपको उनका अच्छे से ख्याल रखना है। जैसे आपके घर पे मेहमान आते तो आप देखते हो ना, उन्होंने पानी पिया कि नहीं, खाना खाया कि नहीं। यू आर टेकिंग गुड केयर ऑफ देम, राइट? वैसे ही आपको उनका ख्याल रखना है 10 दिन के लिए।
जैसे मैंने बोला था, जिसके पास गोल्डन नहीं है वो डीप येलो के ऊपर लाइट येलो एकदम हल्के हाथ से उसको करना है डॉट डॉट, तो वो आपका गोल्डन इफेक्ट दिखाएगा। ओके,
beautiful. Very nice, all of you.
Sir, someone is asking if dhoti is green, then which color to use in the base?
ग्रीन ग्रीन को ऑरेंज या रेड कलर कर सकते हैं मैम, अपोज
You
ऑरेंज
can
या
do
रेड,
red color. If dhoti is green, you can do red color.
एंड माउस को ग्रे कलर.
मूषक.
Very nice, Jayashree
Gray
ma'am.
will be black and white, right? थोड़ा सा black and white.
हाँ, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. ब्लैक में थोड़ा सा व्हाइट टच करके.
Aral, yours is done.
आईज का देखो कैसे करना है.
Yeah, beautiful.
Small brush and first dark
See
brown
who is also doing?
eyes. आईज के लिए फर्स्ट आईब्रोज बनाने के लिए पहले डार्क ब्राउन शेड ले लो और उसको जो हमने सर्कल का आईज बनाया था उसके ऊपर आईब्रोज शेप बनाओ.
I think parents can help in this, in making eyebrows.
Yes, eyes are very important. They speak.
फर्स्ट स्लाइटली डार्क ब्राउन शेड एंड उसके ऊपर फिर ब्लैक कलर, स्मॉल थोड़ा सा ब्लैक कलर.
तो आईब्रोज के लिए सर ने डार्क ब्राउन और ब्लैक यूज किया है.
यस
सर ब्राउन कलर नहीं है तो क्या यूज कर सकते हैं?
मैम, ब्लू एंड रेड कलर मिक्स कर लो तो डार्क ब्राउन का शेड थोड़ा सा बन जाएगा. तो डायरेक्टली यूज किया तो भी चलेगा मैम, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Vani done?
सर आप आईज थोड़ी सी पास से दिखाओगे क्या? एक साइड का आपने बनाया है. सी,
Look.
वाओ.
Sir always make very pretty eyes. in all the paintings.
सर आपने ब्राउन ही यूज किया है ना, कि ब्लैक यूज किया है सर?
मैम थोड़ा सा ब्राउन
And-
नहीं होगा तो डायरेक्ट ब्लैक यूज किया तो भी चलेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम।
सर ब्लैक स्केच पेन यूज किया तो चलेगा आईब्रो के लिए,
मैम स्प्रेड हो
अगर किसी
जाएगा।
के पास?
पॉइंटेड
और
मार्कर चलेगा मैम, पॉइंटेड, लेकिन स्केच पेन स्प्रेड हो जाएगा।
ओके ओके।
पॉइंटेड मार्कर होगा तो वो चल सकता है, या कलर पेंसिल से भी कर सकते हैं बाद में, या ब्लैक जेल पेन। एंड लास्ट में उसके ट्रंक के ऊपर हेड पे आपको यू शेप बनाना है।
Devansh is painting. Today we learned how to make so many colors, right? Mixing two colors and get a new color.
Visha Kaneria, you want to say something?
उसके हेड पे आप ऐसे डिजाइन भी कर सकते हैं।
Okay.
लुक इट, उसके हेड पे ऐसे डिजाइन भी कर सकते हैं आप
हाँ।
रेड कलर से। यस
प्रेम सर बोल रहे हैं आपके साथ एक्सचेंज कर लेंगे।
सर ऑफर है आपके लिए।
सर आपका भी दिखाओ, आपने क्या बनाया है? We would like to see.
यस मैम।
I don't want to spoil the mood right now.
लुक इट माय। एंड सबसे लास्ट में देखो, जो हमने बैक साइड भी जो स्पेस छोड़ी थी वहां पे भी आपको ब्लैक कलर करना है। ओके
Yes, sir.
ओके उसके हेयर्स के पार्ट जो फेटे के नीचे थे, उसके हेयर्स के पार्ट।
So someone wants to see eyes again. एक बार आप दिखा दीजिए।
यस मैम, 1 मिनट।
Yes, sir had given white color to the circle of eye initially.
इस मैम विजिबल।
Yes.
आंखें बहुत ही सुंदर हुई है।
In sir's every creation, you will see eyes are very special. Always eyes are very expressive. Wow.
Gargi show. Yes. Wow.
children use different, very amazing color combination. That is very attractive. Beautiful.
Oh.
Anyone else who has done? Svarajan. Nice. Beautiful.
Sir Janvi.
Very nice, Janvi.
Very good.
Please.
Vedant wants to show. Show Vedant. Nice. Very good. Wow. You made it alone. Very nice. Very nice, Shreyans. Pritesh. Good job, everyone. You all are very creative. Yes, Prachi ma'am and Shilpa ma'am, you can unmute.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Shrimay, ma'am, can you please focus on
Yes, ma'am.
Shrimay?
You please tell me the names. I can focus because I cannot do both the things. You tell me
Yeah.
the child's name. I will
Shrimay,
spotlight.
Shrimay.
Okay.
Wow, Shrimay. Very nice. Very good, very good. Very nice. Beautiful. Very
Good
good.
job.
एक second, I will take one
He has
photo
made
if you can.
beautiful eyes.
Yes. If Shrimay is there, I will take one photo from here, ma'am. If Shrimay is there. Yeah, Shrimay, can you please look here? Yes, nice. Thank you. Yes, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, now Ved wants to.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me the names. I'll.
Ved.
Where did she Gargi go?
Gargi also.
Gargi is not there, I think. Ved. Yes, Ved show.
Wow, very nice. Ved, very nice.
Very good, Ved. Very nice.
Agastya show.
Ma'am, Mallar want to show. Mallar.
Yes.
Very good, Agastya. Good.
Oh, Mallar, wow.
Good
Nice
job,
to see
Mallar.
you after so many days. Nice coloring, Mallar.
Yeah,
Very
Mallar.
beautiful. Nice. Good job.
Very good, Nishad. Wow.
Nishad.
Nice. Very good, Nisha.
Everyone has made beautiful Ganesha.
Yes.
Did you enjoyed it? How was the feeling?
Ishwari also done, na? Yes, Ishwari. Arush, Ishwari. Ishwari, yes, Ishwari. Ishwari, are you there, beta? So that I can take one photo. I can see your
Meghavini
mama, not
done?
you. Ma'am, Ishwari is there?
Madhuri ma'am, when iPhone written, Meghavini, you
Arush show.
Nice. Arush. Yay.
Wow.
Wow,
Very nice.
Arush is
Beautiful.
grown up.
Yes. Mallar, Arush.
We have seen them in nursery, so अभी हमको
Yes,
काफी
yes.
बड़े-बड़े लग रहे हैं अभी.
बहुत ज्यादा.
Shriya.
Shriya.
What happened, Shriya? Very nice, Shriya. Beautiful Ganeshji. Very good.
Very nice, yeah.
Samriddhi.
Samriddhi. Satyajit also, ma'am. If you can, Satyajit.
Ma'am, you keep telling me names. I'll focus. Very nice,
Yeah.
Samriddhi. Good job.
Ma'am, on one child, iPhone is written.
Satyajit. Wow. Very nice, Satyajit. Good job. Beautiful.
Yes, Meghavini. Hold it. Very pretty.
Ma'am, Sanvi, Anay.
Yes, done. You have made a colorful feta. Nice.
Asmi show. Very nice. Beautiful. Asmi, come this side. I want to see you also. I have not seen you for so many days. Grown big and tall. Very nice, Asmi. Good job. Okay. Hitansh? Hitansh, can you show? Beautiful. So colorful.
Very nice.
Wow.
Very nice, Hitansh.
Gargi Mahajan, show. Wow, very good, Gargi.
Very nice.
Nidhi, show. Very good, Nidhi. Very nice.
सर एकदा परत गणपती दाखवता.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Some
nice.
parents
Anjali.
ask.
Yes, yes. I'll spotlight sir also. Yes. So all of you see sirs also. Very nice, Anna. Very good.
सर आप एक बार पूरा राउंड करके दिखा दीजिए.
हा थोडा हळूहळू असा हलवून ना. Wow, very nice, very beautiful.
Very nice, sir.
Ma'am, gargi, some gargi, carnation.
Ek second. Ma'am, please tell me the names. I will spotlight.
Yes, yes. Okay, gargi is here. Very good, gargi.
Hi,
Nice.
Gargi.
Very nice.
Very nice, Gargi.
Good job.
Anaya. Aryan.
Anaya Agarwal. Show Anaya.
Good.
Ma'am, we saw Ishwari's and we took the photo also. Ishwari's mama.
Very nice.
Very nice, Anaya. Beautiful.
Very good.
Aryan Agarwal. Show. Are you done, Aryan? Or you're doing? Other Aryan. Maybe.
Oh. Wow. Very good.
Very nice.
Madhuri ma'am, I think you can just go one by one because everyone is saying.
Or once
Like-
we can do gallery view and everyone can hold the Ganpati in hand and show. We will see so many Ganpatis together.
Yes, even
Yes.
Soham and Niharika.
Everyone has made very beautiful.
Where is Hema ma'am's Ganpati? Is Hema ma'am there?
I don't
ma'am,
think-
we are around.
Very nice, Aryan.
Coloring done, ma'am.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Wow,
nice.
very beautiful. Sir, if
Audvik
anybody
Akarti.
wants to put tikli, they can put tikli on
Yes. Kundan
on
you can put.
jewelry.
Yes. Very nice, Soham.
Very good.
Advaik Akarte, ma'am, if you can. Advaik Akarte.
Yes, Arav.
Wow.
Very
Beautiful. Wow. So divine.
Advik, show.
good at it.
No, Audvik Akarte. Who is he? Nihira.
Gira. Good. Very nice.
हेरा के गणपति के साइड में और क्या है?
Yes, Audvik. Very nice. Wow, beautiful. Very nice, beta. Very good, Riva.
Wow.
Borkar.
Aishvi, very nice.
Someone is saying, ki, sir, can you please show your Ganpati once again?
Aisha, very nice, Aisha. Hi, Aisha.
Aral
Beautiful, Aisha. Very
wants to
nice.
show.
Wow, very good.
Aral and Pihu both have made. Very pretty.
Very nice.
Madhuri ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I was actually busy making the background for our Ganesha.
You can show us
Wow.
what did you make.
Diya, very beautiful.
It is just the first work is done. Later I am planning to put the LED and coloring and all.
Wow.
So
This is with
Wow.
Chadu
This is
Mati.
from, ma'am, this is from like children have got the peacock
Oh, okay, the leftovers.
and the leftover from the
Pieces.
peacock that I have used, and I have added Sadu Mati and I have created this.
Oh,
Hopefully this should stick together, and then I will add some color and LED lights. So children, if you want to make the background with LED light or some motor or fan on your own, please go ahead. Okay?
Wow,
Parents can help. Thank you, sir.
nice.
सर का गणेशा कहाँ है? We are waiting to see Prem sir's Ganesha.
Oh my God.
That's why I asked, na, where is Hema ma'am
Yes,
and Prem sir?
even children are waiting, sir.
Oh my God. Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, it's beautiful, sir.
Very
Your
nice.
laddus are also looking alive.
Yes, yes.
हेमा मैम रियल लड्डूस रखे हैं क्या?
Lot of effort for laddus.
We can see.
Free of cost.
Very nice.
Nice, good,
Sir.
good.
I think kids have made such a beautiful one. So I would like to see theirs.
Yes,
Wow.
Vihan. Now Anand also, ma'am. Anand Bope, if you can.
Wow. Super.
All mommies and daddies at work. Very nice, Vihana.
Very good.
Anushil, show yours. Wow, very nice, Anushil. Arnav, show yours. Very nice. Who's Meghna? Twisha, show. Wow, it's so colorful.
So children, I assume that you all love this type of sculpture making. Are you all enjoying that? Are you all enjoying making sculptures? You can show thumbs.
You can unmute yourself now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Look at my goodness.
Very nice, Ugandhar.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you, sir. Hi, sir. Thank you, sir. Can you see ours one? Thank you, Kajal ma'am.
So what I have observed that you all enjoyed making Ganesha idol, right? And the Mushak also you are making very nicely. So that means you all love clay making, like, no, clay dough toys. Do you want to make toys? Yes or no? So next month we can plan a nice session where everyone is making clay dough toys. Do you all want to make clay dough toys? Yes?
So thumbs up. Yes.
Bhumika, show. Hema ma'am, are you there?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
आवाज कट. हाँ, I thought you were disconnected.
No, hello, ma'am. Seeing you after so long.
Yes, ma'am, after a long time.
Where is Viya's brother?
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Okay, good.
What a colorful Ganesha. That's
Beautiful.
amazing. Wow.
Children's color combination is too good. Yes, Paki has written she wants to show.
Yeah, I had spotlighted her actually.
This is
So
fun.
children, if we even do not spotlight you, please do not.
Yes, I'll try. I'm still trying.
You can see Bhumika. See, we can see everyone's. We can see
Yeah, in a gallery it is
Trupti
visible.
ma'am's. We can
Very
see
nice.
Mishti's.
Kavya
We
is
can see
working.
Shurud.
Shurud is working. Wow. Advik.
Very nice, Avi.
Avik. Okay, sorry. Gargi.
Anvi.
Yeah. Very nice. Akhi. Yes, we can see it. Krisha. Very nice.
Mishti, and see, so you all make the background decoratives and
Wow,
all.
Anvi. Very nice.
Very nice ears and all. So try to make some background. You have LEDs, you have the light also in your electronic kit, senior KG especially. So you can use that. You just need 9-volt battery, and one bulb is given with wire. You can use that wire bulb. Okay, and you can use 9-volt battery, or parents can help decorate this Ganesha with lights.
Yeah. Wow. Very nice, Dhruv. Vivian, Dhruv. Very nice. What have together?
Okay, so after you do the Visarjan, the kundans and all which you have used, kundans, they will also get separated. So you can take out those kundans and reuse later. Another use of clay will be, Shadu Mati will be, after doing Visarjan, you can even take out the water from the top and you can make again some more toys with that Shadu Mati. So recycle. Okay, you can even recycle. If you don't want to put it into the plant, you can do that. You can use, very nice, Shreya. You can add some red mati to this Shadu Mati after Visarjan, and you can make some toys, because Shadu Mati and red mati together, it also gives very nice texture. Your parents must have played with mati in their childhood. So that red mati or black mati you take and add this Shadu Mati after Visarjan. So we can do recycling. Ganesha won't mind.
He will be happy, ma'am.
Right. Ganesha will be very happy that my children have learned recycling.
Very nice, Dhruv. Very nice. Good job, Advay. Very good.
Ganesha
Mishti,
will be
very
always happy
nice.
to be in children's hand.
Yes.
Very
So
nice.
recycle if possible.
Wonderful session. This kept children actually busy and lot of patience we can see.
Yes, and Madhuri ma'am, next month someone is coming to teach lots of clay toys.
Oh, wow.
Can everyone hold their Ganesha up? I
Sorry,
will
ma'am?
take a picture in gallery view. Can everyone hold their Ganesha up? I can see
Yes.
so beautiful Ganeshas.
Wow.
All the screens, everyone come front with your Ganesha. Very pretty.
And where is everyone's big smile?
Hey, Mama, I can exchange with your Ganesha.
Sure, ma'am.
Mine is still wet, not made.
Okay.
We are going to make it today.
Very nice.
Super. Very good.
Beautiful, everyone. Very nice.
So please hold on your Ganpati Bappa near
Yes, try to
mirror
take a picture with
and
it.
have a big smile so we can take your photo with your Ganesha.
Yes, and take care of
Ma'am, you
him.
also hold. I'm taking a picture.
May I
Ma'am,
visit?
make it up. Kavya, hold yours.
Now everybody hold it properly to the camera. Very nice.
Done, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you. So here is Sir. Again, put focus on Sir's Ganesha. Very nice.
Very nice, sir.
Sir,
Wow.
your
Sir, I'm
painting.
taking your picture also. Give a big smile.
Yes, ma'am.
आपकी जो पेंटिंग थी वो एक बार फिर दिखा दो. It was very beautiful. All 4 paintings. Children see Sir's paintings and they were amazing.
Good job, everybody. Very nice. Good job.
Wow, he's so cute.
Yeah, I was telling him that day that, you know, like Krishna is always shown so naughty and
Yes.
so pretty. So it is looking like that only, that Ganesha is also. Oh yeah, you have put the punk,
Feather
more
is
punk
there,
also.
man.
Feather
Feather
is
is
also
there. So he's Krishna's this thing only.
and that's why, you know, Krishna's naughtiness is visible.
Yes. Wow.
Wow, Arush. Good job. Wow.
Wow, beautiful.
This one is so nice. The picture
Ganesha
talks.
is laughing. Yeah.
Sir, someone is saying it's awesome.
Wow.
Is one working? ये चालू है.
सर अभी तो ये कंप्लीट हो गया ना?
नहीं मैम, अभी काम बाकी है इसमें.
अभी भी बाकी है. अच्छा, कंप्लीट ही लग रहा है. Okay, okay, nice. We'll wait.
See the eyes.
Yeah, sir has magical, like, sir draws magical eyes. Always alive.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, are you done?
Very nice. These two are talking, chattering.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, is it acrylic or is it watercolors?
Watercolor, ma'am.
Watercolors.
Ma'am, can you show Hia and Rida?
Wow.
She is
Yes, I
already
can
there.
see.
Wow.
Here, where is your big smile? But where is big smile?
Superb. Beautiful.
Who else?
Yeah, Rida.
Rida. Okay. Ma'am, I am not able to find her. Oh. Madhuri ma'am, if you can see her. Wow, nice.
Beautiful.
There's one more Ganesha behind.
Yes.
प्राची मैम who
Just
did
a
you
minute.
say? इसका नाम
Yeah,
बताया
yeah.
आपने भी?
Rida.
Wow. I'll show everybody's in a sequence quickly. See this one, very nice. Wow. Still in the world.
Today also parents are again busy with children.
Gargi, Ayan, very nice. Adal, Pranil, show it quickly. Wait.
Pranil, show your Ganesha quickly.
Wow.
Very nice.
Beautiful. Wow.
Vinaya, show your
very
Ganesha.
good. Good job.
Wow,
Ovi,
Ovi,
wow.
beautiful. Lot of
Very nice, Ovi. Yeah, very nice. Working in progress.
Rida. Acha, Rida. Where was
But we
Rida?
can't see.
Rida,
you
where
can't
are
see-
Video
you?
is on spotlight.
Oh, okay. We can. Oh, you're not able to see it? Oh,
We are able to see you. You are on spotlight.
Oh,
Maybe.
Yes.
hold on.
Very pretty, Rida.
We could see everybody is in a Zoom.
Give a big smile. Yes.
Very nice.
और आपकी गणपति की
Beautiful.
फोटो भेजो.
Beautiful golden color.
Mr. Lepshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Golden color.
सर फोटो भेज दीजिए गणेशा की.
हाँ, ma'am.
Irisha, you are there? You wanted to show? कहाँ गई?
Lovely.
Very nice. Wow. Nice, Irisha.
Ma'am, in the chat box, I think parents are writing name.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm following. Yash, show. Wow, beautiful.
You can still see Rida.
Ma'am, she showed that golden color was
I
there.
am seeing her only still on the screen. Maybe.
Adya is done. Anand. Ma'am, hang हो गया क्या देखो screen? If
I have to.
Prachi ma'am, can you see?
Yes,
I'm
yes.
putting- Okay.
I can see Anand
Yes, yes, yes.
now.
Yeah, Anand, I can see.
Very nice. Arnavi.
So cute.
Is she talking with Ganpati?
I think
क्या
she's
बातें कर
eating.
रहे हो आप?
Wow.
Give a big smile.
Beautiful to see Ganesha, and it's beautiful to see another Ganesha with Ganesha. Oh wow, so beautiful.
Super.
Harsha, beautiful Ganesha.
Good job. Wow.
Very good, Ishwari.
Ishwari.
Beautiful.
Hitansh.
Where is your Ganesha? Quickly show, Hitansh.
Wow. Wow. He made a
Nice.
stand also. Very nice platform.
Oh wow.
Hey,
Superb, creative,
Good,
very
good.
nice.
Now,
Modak.
very good,
Vihan,
Vihan.
very good, superb, beautiful,
Almost we have tried to cover everyone. Adya Saxena.
superb.
Ma'am,
The
take Arnavi. She was
color
also
combination are
writing.
so good.
Who, ma'am?
Arnavi is there. She was writing. She has written her name also.
Arnavi.
Adya, very nice, Adya, very good,
Very nice.
superb. Adya, good job.
Ma'am, she is only Arnavi.
There two Arnavis
Okay,
there.
there is one more.
Second
Ha,
one.
okay, I am.
Dhruv Sharma.
The
Yes.
Yes, she wanted to show. Show
yeah,
your.
who is the
Oh, sorry.
No, no problem.
Madhuri ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Who is the Trupti black and white color, black and white बनाया है सिर्फ
Sir, I guess वो तृप्ति मैम का है. She has to color. Her son
Oh.
is showing hers.
Wow.
Wow, amazing.
Wow. Very nice.
Wow, ma'am. Beautiful.
Beautiful ma'am.
So we have one more person to exchange with. Yeah.
So nice.
Wow.
Sakshi, where is your smile?
Just change. Yes, show. Very good with a smile. Very nice. Wow. Sachi, good job.
Very good.
Wow, she like earring भी आपने पहनाया है क्या? On top yellow color का?
Wow.
Very
Okay,
creative.
Riva.
Oh.
Very nice.
Very good.
Very nice.
Hana. Hello, Vihana, where is your smile?
I'll just spotlight Dhruv Sharma. I think he's waiting. Yeah. Adya.
Yeah, ma'am, you go ahead.
Yes, Dhruv.
Oh, good job.
So beautiful. Where is your smile, Dhruv?
Wow. You've written home very nice. Good job.
Where is Ranja's Ganpati? Where is she?
Wow, sleeping.
Pranvi, start your video, beta. Your video is not on, I think. Huh, yes.
Very nice. Good job.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Be careful. Yeah.
So, did you all enjoy? Anybody else? Who
Wow.
wants the
Wow,
spotlight?
very
Full white.
pretty. Is he sitting on a lotus?
Oh, wow.
Good.
Who did this? Where is the child who did it?
Anaya Agarwal.
Oh, fine. So beautiful. See, new ideas.
Amazing.
Good.
You can do white pearl color on top.
Wow.
Is this made by her papa? I can see on the chat box.
Mama.
No, papa. They have written papa.
Okay, okay.
Beautiful.
Anybody else want to come on the spotlight? Okay, Agnavi, you still want to come? Wait 1 minute.
Sorry.
Yana or I don't know who's the child. Yana is a child, I think.
Yana, you also did along with Aura? Both of you done?
They both have done two.
All CIA children did it, right? Right now also?
They both have done.
Okay. One single one?
Amazing. Good job, Yana.
They are twins, kya, ma'am? Ma'am, are they
No,
twins?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
One is in junior and
Preschool.
another is with us.
Okay.
Ma'am, let
Agnavi-
me spotlight Agnavi. She wants.
Yes, ma'am.
Agnavi, show it now.
Yes, Agnavi.
Wow.
Okay, beautiful Ganesha. Very nice.
Very good.
Sachi, you want to show now? Sachi show.
Wow.
Yes, I saw it earlier also. Beautiful, Sachi.
Very good.
So all done? All done? Or anybody
Yes.
wants to show? Riva, where is your big smile? Very good. You can see Ovi's Ganesha, we are also quite different. Okay, Nihira again. Hello, Nihira.
Very nice.
Let me spotlight Ovi. Sorry. Huh.
Wow.
Wow.
See,
Very
very
pretty.
nice shading. Very nice.
Good. Wow.
Superb.
Yes.
Daksh.
Good. Very good, Daksh.
Akhi, show it now. Wow.
Good.
First now pink.
Pink
Very
color.
nice. Where is your big smile, but? Okay, Nityanshri. Very nice.
I think all are done.
Yeah,
Tripti
nice.
ma'am is back. Tripti ma'am, you can show yours now. Even I haven't colored, so we can exchange.
And sir has shown so nice coloring. We all should follow sir.
Amazing painting, sir. Good sessions.
Sir, all CIA children also joined right now, right?
Yes.
All done. Riva, you want to show again? Nice.
Awesome.
3 participants. Who? Ma'am, Swarit and Arin.
मैम आर्यन को किया था मैंने.
Swarit.
Swarit was also done, I think.
Okay, they are writing their names soon. Okay, where is your smile, Swarit? Okay. Beautiful Ganesha.
Ganesha made by Ganesha.
Very nice. Those pillows are so beautiful. Blue color, contrast color. Looking very nice.
Sir, better coloring.
Yeah, coloring sense.
Now all are done, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. All are done.
So children, please make some other decorative items with LED lights and maybe 1.5 volt or 9 volt battery. Okay, parents, please help so that some beautiful light also should be there around Ganesha. Teach them small simple circuits and make with them. Thank you. So with this, shall we end the meeting, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
Thank you,
Ganpati
Miss Sir.
Bappa
Beautiful session.
Moria.
Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Ganpati Bappa.
Ganpati Bappa.
Moria.
Ganpati Bappa Moria. Bye bye. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.